Hey guys, welcome back. I have a quick unboxing for you guys. This is the Corsair K60 RGB Pro. Okay, I was lucky enough to get this bundle off of Best Buy. All right, this was 75 bucks. It comes with the keyboard, comes with the mouse pad, and it comes with a mouse. So that is awesome. And the mouse that it comes with is the M55 RGB Pro. So that is awesome. Now I don't really use mouse pads, so you know, there's that. And I already have my own mouse, my Logitech mouse, which I love, okay, because it has like the hyper scroll. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this mouse. If I don't, I'll probably do a giveaway for it, or I might just sell it. You know, there's that. All right, so let's get into this unboxing for you guys so we can see how this keyboard looks. So in the back there, you see my previous keyboard. I'm getting ready to get rid of that one. And this is the new board. This is actually really nice. Has a nice regular cable. Okay, it's not braided, which is kind of a bummer for me because my older one actually has a braided cable. So there's that, and it was way cheaper than this. Or maybe it was about the same price, but oh, this is nice. Oh, wait till I plug it in so we can see the RGB. These are awesome. Okay, so this is the keyboard. This is really dope. Okay, I have my mouse basically on breathe mode, but this is how it is when you first plug it in. Oh man, and the light is on it. You can see how bright this is. Let me turn off the light just so you can see how it lights up. This is with the light off. I'm not even in complete darkness. This is just a lamp that's right next to mine. All right, so this is 100% cherry switches. All right, 100% mechanical keyboard, which is really awesome. This is an aluminum frame, okay, or as other people say, aluminium frame. But yeah, this is dope. All right, so it comes with a full customizable software, but you can definitely customize it straight from the keyboard. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so to switch this out, you hold the FN key and you hit one of the numbers up here. So this is one of the options that you can have. This is really nice. I always love having it like this. Hold FN and you press another number. This is 3. So it's basically waving the RGB color scheme across. Okay, 4, that's that option. 5, so 5, you can basically, when you press the keys, it lights up, which is dope. Okay, 6, and once you hit a key, okay, the color just spreads across the keyboard, which is also dope. 7, this is 7. All right, this pretty much cycles through the colors, and I love this. I wish the camera is picking up better, but there is no like glare. It has that anti-glare feature on this, so that's awesome. This is 8. So this is it like breathing, and then it switches the color. 9. Okay, I like 9. I'm feeling 9, and this is 0. Okay, straight red gaming setup when everyone was rocking the red colors. And then you can just tap it, and it cycles through the colors. If you don't want to keep it, you just tap 0. Okay. Probably gonna keep it like this for now, but this is how it sounds. I'm gonna give you a quick sound test of how the keys sound. So give me 1 second. So this is the new keyboard that I have now. I still will be playing with controller for the exceptions of certain games that I do play with mouse and keyboards. But as for first person shooters, definitely using controller all day. Also, if you look inside the manual, it shows you everything that you can do with the shortcuts with this keyboard, which is really super dope. Thank you guys for watching. We are on our way to 1,300 subscribers. So since I'm not going to use this mouse pad, nor am I going to use this Corsair mouse, this will be a giveaway. Please make sure to stick around. There's going to be more videos to come exactly how to win this giveaway. But since you are the first people watching this video, if you click the link in the description down below, it'll tell you everything that you need to do to enter this giveaway. This giveaway will be here, and I have another giveaway for you guys. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the other giveaways that's coming. It's going to be a dope headset for the next video. Alright, Ajax G out.